Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth, success, love, and happiness into their lives while others struggle endlessly, stuck in a loop of the same challenges? What if I told you that the secret isn't luck, hard work, or some mystical force, but rather a simple shift in your mindset? In this video, I'm going to share the power of the law of assumption, a principle so transformative that it can help you manifest anything you desire. This isn't just another motivational speech, it's a step-by-step guide to turning your dreams into reality. But before we dive in, let me ask for a small favor. If this resonates with you, give this video a like. It helps share this life-changing message with more people. And if you're ready to take control of your life and manifest your dream reality, hit that subscribe button and join this community of manifestors. Together, we'll unlock your potential. So let's get into it. What exactly is the law of assumption? Simply put, it's the idea that whatever you deeply assume to be true will manifest in your life. If you assume wealth, success, love, or health is yours, then the universe aligns to make that your reality. But if you assume struggle, scarcity, or failure, those will show up too. It's not magic, it's a universal law that governs how our thoughts shape our experiences. Now, I get it. This might sound like wishful thinking, but stay with me because I'm going to show you why this principle is backed by real-world results and how you can use it to transform your life starting today. Let's talk about a belief most of us have been taught since childhood. See it to believe it. This phrase has been drilled into us by well-meaning parents, teachers, and society at large. It's the idea that we should only believe in things that are tangible, things we can see, touch, or prove. But here's the problem. This belief is completely flawed. Think about it for a moment. Nothing man-made in this world existed before someone imagined it. Your phone, your car, the internet, skyscrapers, none of these things were seen first. They were imagined in the minds of their creators, and then they were brought into reality. The same is true for the life you want to create. You can't wait to see your dream job, your soulmate, or your financial freedom before you believe it's possible. You have to believe it first, assume it's already yours, and then watch as your reality reshapes itself to match that belief. But here's where most people get stuck. They live in what I call a reality loop. Let me explain. Most of us wake up every day and observe our current circumstances. Maybe you look at your bank account and see a low balance, or you go to a job you don't love, or you feel lonely in your personal life. And because you see these things, you believe they're your reality. You focus on them, and by focusing on them, you unknowingly recreate them. It's a vicious cycle. You see it, you believe it, and then it manifests again. If you want to break free from this loop, you have to flip the script. Instead of waiting to see your dream life, you have to assume it's already here. This is the essence of the law of assumption. It requires you to act as if your desired reality is already true. So how do you do this? Let's say you want to manifest financial abundance. Most people visualize themselves receiving money or achieving success as something that will happen in the future. But here's the catch: the more you see your dream as something in the future, the more you push it away. Why? Because you're affirming that it's not here yet. Instead, you have to assume that you're already living in abundance right now. Close your eyes and imagine what that feels like. Picture yourself checking your bank account and seeing the numbers you've always dreamed of. Feel the confidence, security, and excitement of having financial freedom. Don't just think about it, feel it in your body. The emotions are key because they send a powerful signal to your subconscious mind that this is your new reality. Now, I won't sugarcoat this, it's not always easy. Your subconscious mind is designed to keep you safe, and that often means keeping you stuck in your comfort zone. When you start to change your beliefs and assume a new reality, your subconscious might push back. You might feel doubt, fear, or resistance. It might whisper thoughts like, what if this doesn't work? What if I fail? What if I'm just fooling myself? Recognize these thoughts for what they are, a defense mechanism. Your subconscious is trying to protect you from the unknown, but these thoughts are not facts. They're simply old beliefs trying to hold on. You have the power to override them with consistent practice and repetition. Let me share a practical formula for using the law of assumption to manifest your desires. First, set aside time every day to visualize your desired reality. This doesn't have to be a long, complicated process. Just 5 to 10 minutes is enough. Close your eyes and imagine your dream life in vivid detail. See it, hear it, and most importantly, feel it. Next, focus on the emotions. This is crucial. Emotions are like the fuel that powers your manifestation. If you're visualizing wealth, feel the joy and security of financial freedom. If you're visualizing love, feel the warmth and connection of being with your soulmate. The more real it feels, the more powerful your visualization becomes. Throughout your day, reinforce the belief that your dream is already your reality. This doesn't mean you ignore your current circumstances, it means you don't let them dictate your beliefs. For example, if you're manifesting financial abundance but your bank account is low, don't dwell on the number. Instead, remind yourself that abundance is already yours, and the number you see is just a temporary reflection of your old beliefs. Finally, be consistent. Manifestation isn't a one-time event, it's a daily practice. Your subconscious mind needs repetition to adopt new beliefs, so make this a part of your routine. Over time, you'll notice subtle shifts in your reality, and those shifts will grow into the big transformations you've been dreaming of. Still skeptical? Let me share some real-world examples of the law of assumption in action. Cynthia Stafford is a great example. She manifested $112 million by assuming she had already won the lottery. She didn't just wish for it, she lived as if it was already true, and her reality eventually aligned with her belief. Jeff Bezos is another example. When he started Amazon, it wasn't the global powerhouse it is today. But he believed in his vision and acted as if success was inevitable, even when there was no evidence to support it. That unwavering belief is what turned Amazon into the empire we know today. These stories aren't unique. The world is full of people who have used the law of assumption to manifest incredible success, love, health, and happiness. And here's the best part, you can do it too. This isn't reserved for the lucky or the special. It's for anyone willing to take control of their beliefs and assume their desired reality. The proof is all around you. Start looking at life through the lens of possibility, not limitation. Assume your desires are already yours, and watch how quickly your world transforms. If this inspired you, I want to hear from you. What are you manifesting right now? Share your thoughts in the comments, because declaring your intention is the first step to bringing it to life. And if you found this video helpful, please like and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Hey, I've got something exciting to share with you. Are you ready to boost your confidence, attract positivity, and feel more at peace? My new ebook, Powerful and Positive Affirmations to Change Your Life in 30 Days, is the ultimate guide to creating lasting change. With daily affirmations, guided meditations, and visualization techniques, this 30-day challenge will help you feel more motivated, confident, and purposeful. And the best part, it's only $4.99. Start your transformation today. Grab your copy and watch your life change. Finally, subscribe to this channel for more transformational content. Together, we'll unlock your potential and create the life you've always dreamed of. Your dreams are waiting for you, and all you have to do is assume they're already here. So go out there and claim your power. You're capable of more than you can imagine.